to Plymouth Railway Station. You can see an 800 from the road down. I believe this is the station car park. It's rather large, isn't it? At Co-op Parking Limited. So, University of Portsmouth Intercity Place. Right outside the station is quite convenient, isn't it? I actually came through here on the sleeper a couple of days ago, and I'll insert the picture now. It was very dark. However, yeah, it's quite nice here. Still got the First Great Western signs up. This is the accessible car park here. Also, the first logo is still about. Here is the main ticket hall. It's quite nice. Here you'll find the ticket office. There's 3 windows open. Main gate line there.
May I have your attention, please? Please note.
Some shops here. Toilets are just over here at the station. So you used to have to pay for them. There are some more toilets on platform 4 apparently. It's the main gate line. Garris Lake train arriving now. The waiting room here on this platform. There's toilets. We also have a Penzance service here, awaiting its departure in around about an hour's time. 800 011. There's a not in service train there with the doors open. I don't know what it is. Some lovely concrete slabs for the floor here. It's quite nice. It's really quite a nice station, this. Got a siding here, but I don't know if it looks very well used. I don't think it looks used at all. And yeah. Can't really fit much into this video as I spent a bit too long in the town. Yeah, there's a waiting shelter down now, it's 5 and 6. This shop has had a nice architecture to them. It's like a building with a window, even though it's just a lift motor room. Now, I would have had a longer video here if it wasn't for they're doing a load of works in the town where you have to walk around like a 25-mile diversion. And yeah, here comes my train. That's Plymouth in a nutshell. Trolley point here. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and I hope to see you very, very soon. Till then, it's bye-bye for now from me. Thank you.